Yeah. Nigga in this bitch with a toothache and all, nigga. I'm still finna body bag this shit. Peace, Def Gang, legit. Look, Mr. One verse, one heard some killing shit. Take a bitch to the crib, fuck her for the hell of it. Fuck a hater, man, I'm out here trying to get rich. And I don't fuck with you pussy niggas cause I'm celibate. People say they want the truth but can't handle it. That's why I sit back, roll a blunt, smoke some cannabis. Then I hop on other niggas beats and straight damage it. Young niggas spitting forest fires, you a cannabis. You think the sunshine, nigga, look at my wrist. Diamond so froze, fuck around and get frostbit. Step up in the dark room, think I hit a light switch. Bars hit hard, knock 'em out like Tyson. Def Gang deep, stampede like bisons. The way I'm getting money, think I'm fucking with the Masons. Illuminati, nah, I wouldn't sell my soul. Even though I'm dressed in all black charcoal, I'm giving niggas more lines than the barcode. Niggas know my flow sit like a bad cold. You know I like my pussy tighter than some cornrows. Every day I'm winning, you hear the drum roll. Money keep me focused, nigga, if you didn't know. Your bitch feel it in her chest, cardio or cardiac. I spit heart attacks, every day I'm in the zone. Cornerback, I'm the shit, nigga, you ain't even farting yet. You with your bitch for 6 months and ain't hit yet. I knew your bitch for 6 minutes and we had sex. That's why she came home smelling like latex. When it come to rapping, bro, I feel I'm the best. But niggas out here sleeping on me like a headrest. But it's cool, cause if you snooze, you lose. My weed so purple, look like a damn bruise. Small ass circle, only fuck with a few. And if you fuck with me, they gon' fuck with you. I like my bitch topless, similar to a coupe. I get her hot and steamy, call it chicken coop. I get her half naked, call it Betty Boop. Then I make her black out like I blew her damn fuse, huh? Hey man, niggas gon' have to respect me after this shit. Def Gang full strength, close mouth, where you at, nigga? Peace. Still let you niggas net. You heard? Should I come back on this shit? Nah, fuck it. Let me get some shout outs real quick, though. Fred, what's happening, nigga? Frederick, out. Nigga, when I make it to the top, nigga, you already know I'm taking y'all niggas with me. Already, 100, nigga. Been doing this shit since day one.